Hi everybody, today I want to show you how easy you can install this privacy window film. If you are buying this brand, double check the inside of the plastic tube because you will find free tools like these ones. The first step is cleaning the window thoroughly. Then measure the windows and cut the film. Don't forget to leave an extra centimeter of the film so you can cut or trim that later. The next step is taking off the backing film. Make sure to remove it, otherwise the film will fall off when the water is dry. The next step is spraying water generously on the film, and if you want you can add 2 or 3 drops of shampoo mixed with the water. Apply this solution on the window as well. Finally, you can place the wet film on the window. The next step is securing the film, and you need to remove all the water and air bubbles. For this one that I'm using a credit card, it helped us because it was very flat and it wasn't sharp, so we were not scared of scratching the film. The final step is trimming the edges. And done! This is how easy you can install this static window film. The nice thing is that if we need to remove it, we just pull it out and we will not have any type of stickiness or adhesive on the window. So this is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!